I would say 30% of our solar systems we install are within 500 metres from the beach, being here on the northern beaches. So it's really important that these people buy a solar panel and equipment that is able to be that close to the ocean. There aren't many solar panels around that will actually let you install within 300 metres. Being here on the northern beaches, we get a lot of sea breezes and a lot of ocean winds. So the salt degradation and the wind loadings are the best that they can be. It's well worth spending a little bit of extra money up front now and putting on a quality system that's going to last. We want to also ensure that that solar panel has got a long life in it as well. We're looking at really getting a 25, 30 year life out of a solar panel. And there's only a few solar panels around that will do that. The temperature coefficient is another real advantage. They work really well in hot temperatures, which we get here in Sydney in summer. A lot of solar companies are selling what they want to sell people in the form of, say, a 5 kilowatt system, a 6.6 or a 7. We sell solar systems by the panel. So we look at exactly what you need and we design it around that. We mould it to suit you, not what suits us. And then we give you options around what we're going to install, sort of like a good, better, best scenario. So you usually come out with 3 options to choose from, and you'll have a full education on how those systems are going to work on your roof and the different way that these systems work, because not all solar systems are the same.